Uyozela lumambana lo. Ngisho lo. Athanda. Chabo. Ta. Hlala tuzathathweni. Ngalimazi na. Eshena baphemu ushani no. Ey. Unzima ukubhala ukuhlanganisa. Wenzani lapho mzala? Ikhofi le. Uyangibala mzala. Ngiyalidinga. Hayi nginkomishi yami mina ebhala umanzini lapho. Hayi hambani njoba umsindo la. Usimo ukubhala ngokuhlanganisa. Hayi. Uyabona haze ngikhathale kanje empilweni yami. Hayi ke ngikhathele. Sanibona Mazungu Nation, hope you guys are good, hope you guys are well. Nalutho ungena nje. Ubungithi iHeart Me. Thank you so much Lwethu Ngubane Mbomvu Matomela for a Heart Me. Oh, let's all share the lives to all the Zungu Nations bafethu. I haven't been live for a while. Bengibambekile, bengiholdekile mawala. Bengiholdekile mawala babhemu. Bekonakele. Unjani? Ngiyaphila. How are you guys? Angeke kodwa lento ngibuka la. Awukuthi 20 mhlawumbe ngithuthuse. Ngagcina nokubuka TV empilweni yami. Benginonyaka ngingayazi ngayibuka eMpumalanga. Hey bafana sengubhithuna. Ha. Hayi kunzima impela ukubhala ngokuhlanganisa. Yasho ukuthi umuntu bengekho live isikhathi eside. Buka ngikubhithu manje wala fethu njani. Bengicela ukubuza ukuthi akwazi ufunda eMthusi. Awungafunda eMthusi mina iminyaka emibili. Ukuphi eMthusi iqala? Ukuphi eMthusi? Wendlunkulu kuphi? Where are you? Ayengeke unconnect phela sidlala ingoma ngeke. Lokhu hayi. Naze nawubamba umthetho abantu abamnezo nihleli kamnandi. Yazi mina ngimbonanga mzala. Hayi inkinga mina bengukuthi mangeke ngaya phambi kwabantu liyani izulu bayangidaphuza ngibuye ngicole nginjani. Kona bavele bangilande emotweni yakho.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Very good. Andunga mase ngikhumusha kanje na. Ngingakazali.
Правильно, попробую передать еще себя.
Double tap the screen, Jebapemu, send a heart me's. Can we all double tap the screen, send heart me's, double tap the screen, send heart me's. How nice and a very nice. And namsindo. Times 3, guys. Every gift you send is multiplied by 3. I'm on you again. Donuts and caps, money, guns and galaxies. Thank you so much, Rizzy. Let me follow you back. A step in the screen, just song about to step screen, song, step screen, song, step screen, sonke kahle bo kahle wena. Thank you so much guys. Asihambeni webabhemi. Kodwa ngathi ngingahlala phandle yazi. Akubandi ni phandle. Ay ngeke ngifuna ukuhlala phandle. Ay. Akhona. Woza nesitulo. Ngisizwa kahle uma ngihlele endlini. Ngastreama la ningibuka emehlweni phindini. Ngastreama la ningigqolozela amehlo. Hey Kunzi. Hamba kahle. Hayi, azokubona ngisafoniza lapho. Owenze. Awu kahle nina aziphile phandle mina. Uyangibhedela lo. Letha athi ngibeke itafula la ngidla. Muzobhedela la ngikushiya udakiwe usafuna utshwala namanje. December ngempela. Beka lapha ngani yami beka lapha. Uyafa ubhuta indlala lo ngalamba kudala. Yes. Yeke yashisa wengane. Thank you Phindile. Awubuyenzani wena? Oh thank you nawe. Donuts and caps kids. Let's go. Suka. Hayi bo sesile phezulu. Kanjani manje kwenzakaleni? Ha. We Aki. Awuhambe ngale ndlela yami yazo. Ufika ucheck yonke indawo noma ungavula isikhwama. I think esikhwameni esipheko store. Ufuna amasokisi lapha. Ungilethele wona la. Ngiyakuyanyiwa. Ihi. Sawubona sisithulu. Usakhona uthulu. Oh. Hawu suka madoda. I've lost my phone. Kuthi ngaqhoma. Ulambile gazi aze ngilale. Oje nginenkinga. Nginenkinga. Umhlathi ubuhlungu akuhlafuneki. Ngiphuza ekhaphini ebhala ukuthi manzini. Ayisibithu nibonile kaze kwabuhlungu lokho. Yawathola wozongifaka wazo.
Manje ngiyafanja nenzipho.
Kahle ngani. Ngizogolola. Ukuvulela. Yekela letha. Yabona nje ukugoloza. Yabona nje ubusufunda ukugoloza. Wazi ukuthi nami sengizokubamba ngophongo.
Ayizophayenze bokutshela.
Noma ungathi bhuta ukuthi no. Angisukwazi ukugoloza yona, ngithuma uyagoloza. Suyagoloza uma ngithuma. Nails done. Angina nails done. La muntu mangifaka mangithatha amfam so ufuna ngifaka amasokisi. Nails done yani le. Ubani nails done? Vele ngabona ukuthi awukazi ulala. I did not sleep guys. I was traveling from Olundi ebusuku past 12. Ngize ngafika la ekhaya ngo5 ekseni. Drive. Kunenkungu izulu lina, kunamaphotholo akuhambeki. Ngifika manje ekseni. Ngabonga bafethu ngiyabonga.
Thank you. How are your day? Europe is okay, yes.
Tulip, love,
Maybe in Europe is a good idea.
and let's go to class. Thank you so much.
There are a lot of girls, of women and men, but they go at different times down. Лера прошло.
Yes. Особенно скрин на
В разное время? Я думала, что вы группкой своей собираете. I don't know how to...
Zinyana wamanje. Sesibhithu. Ngakupha nabazungu. Original ngwanongoma mfowethu kodwa ngihlale Fryhead. Thank you so much Rizzy, thank you so much Mtulost. How wena usungeneni ni TikTok? Iti yaqona nje uphuze iti empilweni yami. Thank you Lwethu. Let's go. Sibatitini nje baphemu, sibatitini. Asithepha ni screen foot awu sak 10,000 to lost. Shoda khona ukuthi to lost wena. Ipeacock. Hey, awubona wena sibhala ngokuhlanganisa. Ungangibuza ikhokhi ngibhala ngokuhlanganisa kanje. Rabanda. Basotha labalungu. Ngangifala nabo phesheya. Sanibona. Siyaphila njani? Ngangifala nabo phesheya ngisahlala eNgilandi. Ngiyabaza manje lo ngangifunda na isikole. Jezayizani nyaphini. Ukusendela ithombe zakho. Phela ngacina, hey baphemu hamba kahle. Azo. Can I have 2 roses, kids? Can I have 2 roses? One more. Thank you, Bruno. Thank you, Rizzy. Let's go. Okay, there's gonna be times 3, guys. Let's put on a glove. This is your ham. Just put on a glove. This is your snipe. Put on a glove, Sambin. No 1 coins on the glove. We have a glove. That comes to those. We have a glove on top. I'll touch the glove, snipe on it. Touch the glove, snipe on it. Let's go. Oh yeah. Touch the glove, let's go. Thina siyafa kushisa lana. Yanyiwa ndodana la kuyaqhaqhazeriwa. Musibona kuhle mina. Bangene nzino bangene. Touch the glove, let's move, kids, let's move. Ngiyabhlungu yazo. Emhlathi. Ebhlungu yo2. Athi khona nje bengimelele ngisibhakela. Let's all tap the screen bafethu seven screen musophindele ngilande. Umfonela umlungu ofuna itshitshi. Ungifunela umlungu Ungifunela umlungu ofuna itshitshi. Oh itshitshi wena. Ukushayela ushaya. Avele lokhu ngijumile lokho. Let's all tap the screen bafethu guys ngiyabanda. Ngiyabanda ke. Sabana screen wengane uyakotola. Udla angusafuni ngakumunyunga. Wethu uzombingelela lo muntu ombingelelayo. Uzombingelela la kwami. Sungijwayela. A 7 screen bafethu. Last 30 seconds, let's all snipe. Mnandi. Hayi ukhapha shin impela uqobo lwakho. Wona lona ukhapha shin impela. Let's all tap the screen, guys. Let's move. Please do snipe. Last 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Let's all snipe up with donuts, caps, and money cards. Let's move, guys. Double tap the screen, Zoom Nations. Let's go. Oh, I don't know. Tuli, love. Letu, love. Rizzy, love. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Bye, Lion.
What is a gift? Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hey.
Ngiyabonga guys, ngiyabonga. Angipha lo mlomo. Ngizamila amabamba amila o4 aphelela. Kubuhlungu nje umhlathi. Hawu. Nawe abantu ungababoni ngangidlana bani mina. Phela nami umuntu.
Sibona ukuthi uzongishaya ngeke bafo shame cha bohamba ngeke
Kanjani manje?
lutho hamba bye ngiyakuthanda yes cha boy hamba guys akufuna ukriska ngempilo yami ngeke bye
Ngiyamqala umuntu ongisabanga kangaka. Umuntu ongisabanga. Abantu abakungidlala nami. Why ngoba ngumuntu nami. Excuse me. Mangibuya ngidriver iPolo. Buya mzala buya. Buya mzala kuyabhora ungekho. Hayi bafuna abantu abangizodlala nabo ngababoni mina. Hawu. Kanti ngikhophe Wakavela nje abantu abazodlala nami. Ahleni weyingane. Wabantu bangisaba. Oh now.
Hayi baba mangi-invite wena ngiyathuka ngoba unenduku.
Hola.
Ugrade.
Itrend jam khamba kanjani?
Ngishapho mani. Sufuna ungishaya nje.
Awulutho ndoda ngathi ngino 9 years nje ngingastream. Ngiyangena nje namhlanje.
Ungi-invite nabantu abawu-150. Unesibindi soku-invite umuntu obuwabantu abawu-2 na-150.
Lutho fethazi imatch iphelela la ko 200 and something. Ngidlale 4. Kuphela nje ko 250.
Asizame sibone.
Bambe nje.
Awufuni nje uzothatha something la kwigalari bafo nje ngifika naka A1.
Mina buka ngikuphi ngendlela ekubhed ngayo B1.
Ku-right wena ku-0 lapho. Mina sengibuza cela ingithembeleni. Hayibo kanti ama-tips kukhona ama-tips angabali.
That's all type send gifts times 3.
Oh, nakho. Thank you so much for the tips.
Bako.
Vele bengibonile nje singiplanele la.
Lutho.
Thank you so much. Oh, with the donut lapho. Singiphe i-follow yamahhala. Yep.
Send donuts and cups and man cans that's good. Nangabuya manje nambona.
W end right there. Greener.
Step screen sonke sibambisana ngokuthepha nje.
Hello, Sis Tuli. Thank you so much for the donuts. Uyaphila. Bengabonzi ngisho wena ngale. Sishilo sathi relax. Sakhona abantu abafuna ukungishaya ngaphandle. Lapho khona umuntu ongiplanele ecawanga. Madoda. Guys, lapha nabalindi nespeed abanankinga. Cha ngiphe i-roses.
Roses bafethu.
Thank you, my love. Two more roses, guys. Two more roses. I-contest eniyaphi ezongena la mas-activative. Two more roses.
Can I have 2 more roses, guys?
Commenta ne-rose lapho Sunday. Thank you so much. One more rose.
Amaroza awu-2 bafethu sirish target. Wenikiwe thuluthi du. Ungasho lutho, thuluthi du mntanami. Uyazi yena uncengeni. 1 rose, guys. 1 more rose, guys. Ungakayisendi i-rose, sicela senda le rose sirish target. Si-unlock speed. Hayi babhemi i-rose eyodwa nakho usodliwa. Hayi bo. Hayi ningehluleke manje. Mina ke ningehlule. Lapho sibaningi.
Long time. Ungena 5 seconds later has been doing one rose. Eesh. Danke with hurt me. All right. My love. Vale back. Oh, fully. Endise vale back izokwenza gift. Kodwa nkosiyami. Hello, mama.
No, Thuli, guys. Nimbonile Shaw Thuli. Okay.
Ngiyathanda uma uzohlala ngala phezulu because ngeke udlale hleli la phezulu. Khuli.
Ngoba kazungu phela mina uya
Angudlala umsangana man. Dodi nje angudlala. Asidlaleni le match.
This is so high.
Njani?
Hello. Yaphila kunjani?
Ngiyaphila, you playing?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. So nations, let's all tap the screen.
Uhambe kahle Dade ekhaya.
Angizwa?
Ngikhuluma nama-comment section.
Oh, okay. Let's all tap the screen, Bafetu. Let's all tap the screen. Let's all tap the screen. Let's all tap the screen. No, I had to exit that match. But Delelu Tuli. So I had to leave. Yes, I quit. Times 3, let's go, guys. Donuts, caps, and money cans. Let's move. Times 3, let's go. Stepping song ka siya, fetch stepping. Sibambisane nje ngokutapha, sithephe, share the life to all the snipers. Yeah. Sibe mandla nje la ekubotozeni. Sithephe. Zungu, sawubona webaya owusithebe. Are you good? Let's all tap Bafethu, tap the screen, send roses, send gifts. We're not times 2 that is coming. Level up Rizzy. Yeah. Ngala senze short sale she target on times 2. Muqala nje times 2, let's ensure to reach the target. Ama roses nje 3 would do. Yeah, madoda. Hey, kabasha la. Hayi ubali. Cela ama roses awu 3 Bafethu to reach the target. Ama roses awu 3. 3 roses. Hayi Bafethu, senifuna ungayireach ke futhi target. Ama rose nje awu 3 would do. Lapho asibaningi kanje. Kodwa makumele sireach target welele. Azashisa ikhofi yini. Yona indlela wafundisa ukubingelela ngayo leyo welwazi. Yona indlela yazi ukuthi kubingelelwa ngayo leyo. Kuthiwa ya ndoda. Akwenziwa ke kimi lokho. Mfuka shows ikhamba kahle mfowethu. Tap the screen nje bafethu. Let's all tap the screen. Let's all tap the screen. Let's all rise on tapping the screen. Step in the screen mawala nje baphela. Step the screen kaningana. Ube muhle nje la kuchofozeni isiphongo. Asibo isiphongo sami ngoba sila. Tofoze this pong. Uluka sengizovala. Angiyazi ukuvula but sengizovala. Sazoyincengela lo. Wenza urongazi. Uzuya eda futhi. Uyaqhubeka uya ed wrong. Ayingeke. Ngasho ngathi kwaphela sofana liphi iteko manje. Liphi iteko manje. Hey, awuphumeki wena. Tuthi tu, ngoba ngibuyela nje ekudala eThekwini. Phela ngumshayeli mina. Macece komshayeli. Ngavele ngiyikhweze manje ungizwe ngithi ngiseJapan. Abela nje ngisikhweze kodwa ngeke le muntu bafuthi iyagijima lena. Awungene endlini. Angifuni. Sabona nokuzothi uyaphila yini. Hawo bakhomenta ababili. Thuli got the glove kanye ne timer. Reezy got the glove and the boost. Thank you so much to all the donations. Hope you guys are good. Let's go again. Guys, ngicela siensure ukuthi si reach target. Ngiyaphila. Ngikhona nami nokuzothi ngikhona. Very much okay. Suludelelile bafethu. Uyazi ukuthi nginyanya ngenhliziyo yami yonke. I don't mind ukuthi umuntu ashayele umuntu abanye abantu. That's very fine. That's very fine. But awukwazi ukuzophosa ama coins against mina. Especially while you are one of the biggest snipers at that car. Uqede futhi ubone ukuthi iyacasula lonto ahambe yasha nos. Ubuthini shanos? Okay. Aqede engagcini lapho ahambe ayolokhunja. Ayongena kwipanel yangale akhulume ayingeke. I fail to understand that. Kungicikile. Yazi ukuthi ngikhonzile but vele ngakhipha ngisho live. But again, let's all tap the screen, guys. Tap on the screen. Singapheli moya. Tap on the screen singapheli moya. Ngeke kwenze ngamabomu. Fabikelwa uhamba kanjani mfowethu? There's gonna be times 2, guys. Let's all do the most on times 2. Gotta put on a glove, a boost, touch the glove, snipe up. Don't use 1 coins, quick glove. Guys, please do send them a heart miss. Please do send them a heart miss. Can I have 2 more roses, guys? Real quick, 1 more rose. Impila ifan, no problem. Listen, just let it come in and imbues, mind. Best friend umbuza ku-WhatsApp uthi ukwenzeni uthule manje. Cha udelelile nje. Yazi kuyimanje umoya wami vele wehla nje. Cha ngithula yezwana. Ngiyabonga yebo. Phesheya uthule phela lo. Cha ngithule. Guys, put on a glove post and then let's snipe up. Nginomfana cha ngithule nje. Ngibe ngifuna abantu bekhuluma bethi uthule inkinga yakhe nani. Ngithule nje ngingasho lutho. Ngimse ngena kwiphanela suke senze kakhulu. Suke senze kakhulu. That's all good. Yeah. Futhi sniper sakhe ke manje umama ngani. Ngaliwa ke manje. Let's go Zone Nations, let's go ×2. Sibangusa. Sibangusa. Let's all tap the screen, tap the screen. Asase bekufanele simbhene uThuli ngokomthetho. Gifts for 2 weeks. Gifts ngale ku best friend bakhe. How best friend wakho share no. Noma share best friend wami uzovela la ukhona futhi la ku live. Awukhona ukucasuka. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi ani ngeke ngikhona manje ngiyacasuka we. Lele bo wenze ngamabomu uyazi we have had this encounter before with I think uDuma Kude who played against me ngidlala no Nation naye wa-unfollowa wa-blockwa lapho wakhishwa yes kwakuyibona abahamba bayokhuluma naye so level 16 pum siyabonga Melanin wakuyena owayelungisa umuntu owenze lokho so how does it happen ukuthi this time around kwenziwa uyena noma to your rules noma to no you can hayi ngicabange kahle ufuna simbhene uThuli uyaphila nasimbhene uThuli 2 weeks kumele anga gift athole enye team azo gift yabo wrong nangu best friend wami hayi ushangishe umngani wami nje futhi asesumngani wami kwakumngani wami Thuli got a mist. Rizzy got a hammer and a boost. Melanin got a glove and a timer. Thank you so much to all the players of the Zoom Nations. Sengiyahamba mntakwethu.
Alright, sharp Zoom.
Ngiyabonga. Ngiyabulisa nje wena manje. Unjani mntakwethu uyaphila kodwa? Kyron, ngeke ngathi smoke siningi ke lana. Bantu aba 116. Ayikanga accept. Unga-accept wena mfana. 82. Alright, ngiya-accept. Ngiyaphi sophopelo. Ngono nangu official marshal 57 people P5. Hola.
Yo,
Kusha.
let's do a match, bro.
Mzukulu usigisi.
Yeah.
Ndiyaphila bhuti kukuzama nje nempilo. Hawu suka. Funa sizame emawala wezungu. Ngifuna imoto. Inbox kid. Angazi benzeni kodwa xona. Ngeke bikelwayo. Le iyangifudumeza ngaphakathi. Yangicishe ngawuvala no live. Ifani ngenanga nje nangixoxisa. Benguvala live bengidiniwe kahle kahle. Uyayingcengela. Uyayingcengela nje. Yazi wenzeni? Ngidlala nomuntu. Shuthi ke obest bani bakhe le close to inhliziyo yakhe uThuli. Mangidlala naye lo mfoloyo agifte ngapha hamba ugifta ngale futhi. Mbona lo mfana encoma uthi sisithuli siyabonga in shuthi bayazana before like umuntu ohlala emsniper which is very fine. Ayizwa lo nto right lo nto let's very okay. But now how do you play against Tina your family? Aqede angene kwipanel yangale kuyoxoxa. Siyadlala la thina sifocusile game wena ngale kwipanel. Uyoxoxa. Uxoxa thina size. Hayi. Bangikhomba isitokade ngiyena lo mshita mfethu uzombona. Uyena dog. Uye lo mshita uyazimuphi. Ilo shaya inkonzo dog. One rose, guys. One rose. One more rose. One rose. Thank you so much for reaching the target. At least you like I Funa simpene 2 weeks anga gift. Angazi ngisho ku live wakaZoom. Ushaya inkonzo. Wena ungacane wena weshaya inkonzo udinwe njengami. Wena uyimi. Hawu uvalwe. Ngivalile kuphi manje emsebenzini? Ngavela ngayivala ke lo match leyo mina ngaphuma. Hayi buzo. Ngenzeni? Wase ubuke kunula. Nginalo vele. Ngikwate kabi ningibona nje. Ngikwate nje kabuhlungu kabi. Ola manzini. Sengixolile mina kodwa kumele simbhene. Ngimi kulelo zwilela ukuthi yena uzobhena. Ayishele manzi, ayishele zo. Yini nifuna umxolela nini? Nimxolela. Ngoba phela phela mengonile mina, shothi nani unonile. Angithi singamaZulu Nations la. Guys, ×2, let's all snipe up, guys. Donate caps and money cans. Let's move. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Faba ngisho yona. Nango masikhandisa iZulu Nation yamxolela nje. Hayi ubuxoki lobo. Ubuxoki lobo. Ukushibandla uthi ngixolele xola nawe. Ubuxoki lobo. Ukuba umunye umuntu ngaba nisho ukuthi akaxolelwe. Ayekho nje umuntu ozoxolelwa la. Lo namhlisela namhlanje 2 weeks. Futhi ngizom-unfollowa for 2 weeks. Futhi angim-unfollowe manje. Ndiphilile maqegu unjani wena? Ayiwe ngithi ngizodlala imatch serious nalensizwe. Siyamxolela thina. Oh, shuthi kahle kahle ke angimdisown nonke. Bese ngingabi live. Ukugwema nina nje. La umkhuni uyeyeye. Kunjani bhuti wami sikhona khetha ngankomo yasemahenyeni. Hamashe gaqa wena wadla umngoyiye. So ingasi. Bengazi kuzoyela ekuthinte wonke umuntu. Ngani bamvikela umuntu esephutheni kufanele ngabe uyaphanisha umuntu anika isigwebo sakhe. Bathi bona akaxolele. Lensizwa ngathi kukhona nje okurong ngayo. Ayivele le lokhu ibamba kanje amatantsula. Hayi. Inenkinga lensizwa. 2 missed Thuli, 1 glove kumakhandisa. Maskhandisa I mean sorry. Ayingeke insizwa enye awuna smoke. Hayi lo nto le ngidingayo yokubhonya abantu. Uyasokola ubambe enzima. Tiarara tia. Ngicela ungifollow ngizothenga imoto. Ngiyangiziba inbox ngingashare. sengufollowile ncese inbox uyagcwala mntakwethu so nangu umuntu abantu abaningi kanje 232 aya singeneni. Hello, hi.
Hello.
Waphila mntakwethu.
Ngiyaphila njani wena?
Are you playing?
Sure. Can you run best of 3?
All right. Best of 3 reads.
All right. Guys, everybody please tap. We just came back. This will be our first match since we went off. Let's go team. Everybody tap. Everybody like. Let's go.
Sambe nje step on the screen sinyakazeni sonke ke madoda. It's best of 3.
Let's all tap, guys.
Seven
Let's
mawala
all
nje
tap.
madoda.
Guys, we are not tapping. Can we all tap? How do we have 7 streets? Oh, Krina, ne?
Yini ngemumva manje? Times 3 guys, let's all snipe up. Donuts and Captain Mark.
You guys are fighting me. Guys, let's tap. Let's all tap. Hi, Bo.
Don't fall for it. Niyazwa yini? Don't fall for it. Uthuli uyiscam ufuna simxolele. Manje nani you guys are falling for it. Don't fall for it. So uyabhenwa.
Can somebody help me and my team? Anybody who can help because wow.
Let's all tap the screen.
2008.
Donations.
48 points, guys. This is bad. Let's all tap. Let's all tap, guys. Let's all tap. Everybody tap. We are tapping. Tom, you. You said your other account is on what? It's on 35, but we are struggling. I don't know why don't you bring your other account, guys? Please tap.
Why need to what happened?
3 roses, guys, please. 3 roses, team. 3 roses. Yeah.
3. I'm a rose out 3. I'm a rose out 3. I'm a rose out 3. Oh, uyamkhulumela nombulele. Manje uyamkhulumela yini? Yini lokho? Kuphi? There's gonna be time soon, guys. Let's ensure to put on a glove, a boost, and then bese siyanyakaza. We need to nyakaza for real. We need to nyakaza for real, guys. Akaxolelwe uthuli. Hey, nazo nangamaqoqo. Hayi. Siyamthingisa. Kubuhlungu emhlathi. Ngathi khona kade ngibhula nje ngempama. Times 2 kids, let's go. Donuts, caps and money guns. Let's move. Ha. Hayi bafethu watch out ngathi kuzobonakala. Ngathi kuzobonakala unkosazane ufuna ukuvikela ismoke sakhe. Ufuna ukuvikela amanagi zakhe. There's a level 19 on her side. So asipusheni ke mo isangashintsha noma inini le match. Bengithi winile but
A rose. Yeah, later your badge on this backup account if it's a backup account. Mia says it's my birthday tomorrow. Oh, Mia, baby. Bless me with a lion in a universe. What are you doing for your birthday? Guys, please tap.
Naku kuthiwa nelayo ne-universe ke manje asihambeni ngempela wengane. Ayibona amarathatha lokho engenile guys. All right, last 30 seconds we put on a glove, we snipe up. Put on a glove and a hammer, we snipe up. Amanagis bafethu siwathatheni ngeke.
We are there. We are there. We are there. Thank you so much, okay, honey. Thank you so much, honey boo. Flying jets. We can snipe. Also,
Naba bebofama ama-flying jets. Wengane ningayivumeli lento ayishoyo. Yabona lokho akufakayo, kufakeni asibeze manje. Lo ma-flying jet afakeni ke nani phambili.
flying jets, guys.
Guys, let's all put on a glove last 30 seconds. This is your hand.
Flying jets, guys. Flying jets, flying jets.
Let's put on a glove, guys. Glove, a boost, and a hammer.
Yabona
On the
sikosa
mist.
lesimo.
A glove,
Sapatekisi,
and a hammer on the mist. Done
That
for
means
the hammer.
I'm
Put on a glove, put
yeah,
on the mist. Put on a glove now.
Tinyaka headline.
Let's go.
Arena, we don't have enough coins to play.
Let's go.
Guys, snipe, 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 snipe.
Guys, ngeke number bonile. Let's go. Touch the glove, let's move.
Yes, thank you. Labana hore, something came
Touch
in.
the glove, let's move, guys.
That's the gift.
Touch
Those
the
are the
glove.
gifts that come through, and then Hadita. Yeah, Kitty like ba like.
Last match we won it. Tuli got a miss.
Oh, Kitty win laba.
All this.
5.9.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Sabapinda, guys. Best of 3. Same energy, guys. There's gonna be ×2 in 5 seconds. Our Sambi. Osiama Sambi. Our Sambi. Let's move through nations.
Ba like.
Off we go.
And then come more the comments.
×2. Let's go.
×2, guys. Very hello, Bahumi. Bahumi kena le dumedisa. Bahumi. Ke motho ba le dumedisa ka.
Hello.
Guys, what are you guys? ×2 together, guys. ×2. Anything on ×2. Yeah, they took our 7 wins, guys. They took our 7. Let's go, everybody. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Re, na ke re babedi.
Okay.
Bari rata re babedi. Everybody
Kwalo Christian asavela wakhipha i-university ke manje. Kodwa uChristian bakithi. Sekuqedela i-university ke ngale. 3 roses, guys, to reach the target. Let's go. And I have 3 roses to reach the target. Some Mbappe, 3 roses. 2 more roses. Thank you, Rizzy. 2 more roses. Bambi khona lakho ngibambi khona lami. Lisaxeke lakho. 2 more roses. Bafethu sibaningi ukuthi singasokolela rose. Come on. Maskhandisa, yes. 1 more rose, guys, to reach the target. Hey, siyadliwa ke njengamanje, guys. We are being led. Nyambo somkhulu maganga ontsibantsibi. Follow zemnyama enketha bawela. Asambeni ke ×3. Let's put on a glove. Put on a post. Let's move. Soga. Can we tsamai? Bafethu siyadliwa kids. Guys, asambeni donuts and caps. Maskhandisa asambeni Riz. Oh, that was a good catch up. Badlula futhi. Hayi ngeke manje, ngeke.
Even lang winisa. La 1.9. Kya wina because of Lena Emma Moleskato. Guys, are you malume?
Okay, guys, they have a level 45 right now. Oh, 43. The 2 malum. So, kunobunzima obukhona ke man.
Bashaka ba bless. Everything is bless.
Like what bless?
Liba bless for the new year. ke di fana bjang lenore modimo aba bless for the new year le ba fa di blessings
Okay.
la ba leboga ke for the support ba nyaka ba palile ke bolele le re malumai le ka se
There's a level 43, so yeah. Ayangazi. Futhi mlanda. Ayena uyahamba yena. Level 24, level 43. Okay, I think those level 38. Yes, sis. We in shit. Remote again. Kuzoba nesniper solid esodingeka la. Ngitshela. Sniper serious. Uyabona lama flying jets ebewasho. Bona esodinga la. I knew it. Yes. As I knew it. Ukuthi nje uzosnipe egcineni ngegift serious. But siyabonga kakhulu Zungu Nations. It's 1-1 right now. I think manje sidlala best of 3. Kumele sidlale. I think it's a final. The final, ne? Let's all tap the screen. Hlekwa thina ke ngalena kusamba. Bahleka thina ke manje siyadliwa. All tap the screen.
the top gift again.
Guys, time 2, let's move. Asidlaleni serious ke manje because siyabona ukuthi they are giving us a good snipe at the end. Wendo tan, dlalelani ngapha, hayi la. Umalume uxasulwe yini? Akuseyena umalume seku sirola. Semondla, yes. Ubacoshelani because ngibusy lana lesi space sami. Futhi akubona bala ekhaya abangale kamakhelwane. So mabedla imacashelana bese bezongena la nhle khona. Nano TikTok ingana uyifuni. Muke waveza ingane uyablock. Unless muzosetha in a way. So angusethile njengamanje. Thuli siyaxolisa. Nixolisani manje kuthuli? Hayibo. Nixolisa ukuthini? Ukuthi yena wonile nina nexolisa. Ahleni nini? 4 more roses, guys. Can wonke umuntu just send one rose. Guys, abawu4 nje ngicela bangisendele ama rose nga1. Bafethu sodliwa lana masingerishi target. Come on bafethu. Ngicela ama rose awu4 nje ngokusheshsha wonke umuntu asendele irose. Lo muntu nembo kuphi kuyimanje? Yo, azewanzima ukubhala ngokuhlanganisa. Shuthi nje nifunela ukudliwa ngabread. Ayogcina le match siyayivala. Vele nesa ketchup. Singenawo speed, yabo bona bane speed manje, yabo. Niyabona ukuthi kubaluleka kanjani ukurisha speed. Ukurisha nje i-target. Akon. Manje uyangibona ukuthi live. Uyangibona nje ukuthi live. Manje wasenda ama VN.
Hayi sizolalela ngoqedwe.
Oh. So try la. Akunanzi no la. Yabo sekuna energy qedo uwe. Ngabe ngine energy benginayo ngifika la. Bakhetha wena kwenza itaye. Angina. Iyahlala. Ngimbuze ukuze simxolele. Uzosenda yiphi gift ukuze simxolele. Angizwe ngani mina. Nithi ukuze axolelwe uzosenda yiphi igift kwimatch elandelayo ku speed. Imatch esodlala nomunye umuntu nje. Yiphi gift emele ayisende? Angindawo. Iyahlala la. Ya monos. Uyaphila. Uma ngihamba nawe. Ngindawo. Ngiyahlala. Ngincede bamba. Uma ngihleli nawe. Angindawo. Ngincede bamba. Uma ngihleli nawe. Was snipers ukuthuli. Was snipers. Oh,
They won, Bobby.
you got a boost and a missed. After you got a glove. Ngibuzile ukuthi ngithe uzosenda yini.
Yo, bawinne mamulaba.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Sibo. Thank you so much, okay? Bye-bye. Ow.
Ngibuzile umbuzo nangangiphendula. Funda
Batile nje.
kwenzakaleni.
How you won and
It's a mistake.
it's a mistake. Okay, sure.
Ngibuzile ukuthi simxolela ngayo uhlawula ngayiphi gift.
Me tell them say fucky anime, my friend them no like you. But me say fucky friend them no like you. Me tell them say buy one and get one free. Pull up the bag, you see the back Rosalie. It's a pool party. Everybody first kick triple. Summertime. Aha.
Okay, make sure to yokugcina le guys before I close, ne? Ngibuzile ukuthi ngithe which gift now times 3 esomxolela ngayo. Unjani? Ufika nini? Namang, kade ngisekhaya izansi mina akaze uzofika. Suka. Mbabana. Bakhona phakathi. Kahle. Ubheke namakhadi. Uyongithenga into ezimnandi nje. Aze ngajabula mina. Never do the card. Flying jet. Konje flying jet yini? Ukuthi angiyazi phela flying jet. Yini konje flying jet? Siyavumelana ukuthi flying jet. Kuyini flying jet? Wazwakhula bo, ngagcina nini?
Vule kuphi?
La kuvuliwe, nangale futhi kuvuliwe. Bahlala kitchen, ngena la ushonele. Yebo nangala nto bamdala ke mina. Yebo kithi. Ngimdala ngisho kunobhuti bakho bonke. 3 roses vele. Kade tshela usinothi ngithi mina lalela mfana wami. Nanoma ikuphi la ngiyofika khona. Mangifika uyothi mongithula uyothi lona umuntu omdala. ngumfuta vele ngumfuta komdala we one rose guys, one rose to Risha Sake. Thank you so much Nombulelo. Ngithe yini flying jets phela ngazi ngibuzile wena uthanda hamba ndlale ngale ade ngitshela dlalani ngale hayi la efonini yami kanti ayizwa nengane bakithi dlalani ngale hayi lapha ku live ayihluphi lezi ngane Nakia flying jets unabo bonke nje baphelele times 2. Let's put on a glove. Let's put on a glove. Oh pa 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 pa. Hi. Mbulazo mnyama ngimazi uqhamuka phela sizoba late nje ezongidina. Oh, I cry, Kefriji, Alipia ya, aye, Kefriji, Alipia ya, aye, Kefriji, Alipia ya, aye, Kefriji, Alipia ya, aye. Le match ayeke le match ngifuna times 3 asuthola ngale match so sothola kule level 29 yazi ngifisa ngabe ngiyajabula in fact ngiyajabula lezo ngiyajabula kodwa ngijabulele wena ngijabulele level le suka ungazojabula la kujabula mina futhi ngijabulele wena jabulele level yethu suka sokuqhele manje suka also usiyama we have a level sasinama level 29 now 2 ihale kefrije why ngino times 1 we win ngoba ade lokhu ngiwina ngeke ngadliwa Good drive yesuper ungidake nemhlolo yami hayi uyahlanya hayi uyasanganela ubona ukuthi busy la hayi angikwenzi lokho yena musungisanganela wena namkhuba yami bafethu uthi angimisikhipha imoto ngimuse 5 houses up ikhona into enjalo oh khathele very nice mina ngimkhathala
Yadaphuta mfethu masengenzile ngishayisa emoya.
Hayi angilapho mina. Hayi ngisanganele.
Anamo simali.
Hayi.
Nayi.
Awuhambe la.
Hayi usaphila ngokuzala.
Oh so esibone.
Badaniswa abantu.
Okay.
Laba balapha.
Sobona. Fanele driver ubusuku bonke khathele. Last match guys, last match. Hey nansi ngoma yami hayi Kefriji nansi ngoma yami hayi Kefriji Alipia yami hayi Kefriji funipia yami ayikho Efriji Alipia yami In I'm beautiful.
Beautiful baby.
Beautiful.
Is this the ultimate I know or a different ultimate? Hi, Sybil.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. Oh, we're good. We're good.
Okay. Let's all set the screen, guys. It's the last match of the day.
Is this the ultimate I know?
The last match of the
I
day.
don't know that you can take your God.
Manamba kanje bafana bami ngathi niyaphinda. Manamba kanje ngathi
Those
niyaphinda.
wins were sweet, but you sniped late. Intentional. We could take this one too. Just snipe early, like snipe it early, not when the game has ended. Too straight. Not that one. Which one? That girl's own? Is it that girl's own? Guys, please, let's stop. Oh, my sister should make spaghetti now.
Okay. Ubiza bani nje? Ubani uthena? Hayi wena loyo uzoyiphendula sibonge kuhle yimi loyo.
You, my friend, but I may not be the ultimate, you know. The ultimate I know is a streamer. Like he streams. He does this boss battle thing.
Hey ayikho everything. Uthi ngicela ibhiya yami.
He does this boss battle thing. Guys, one roast, please.
Ibhiya yami. Ayifuna ibhiya yami.
That's annoying. Yeah, it's not you because the profile picture. The profile picture is different. He has this ultimate thing.
Guys, on times 2, let's ensure to reach the target. It's the last match. So sifakeni umf. Wonke umuntu nje afetha afake rose, sireach target. Because uthe uzosnipela isuka nemzwila ngithi. Kavela buhlungu amehlo. Times 2, put on a glove, put on a boost, let's go. Put on a glove and a boost. Mkhulu Mahlangu join the live. Sabona mkhulu. Put on a glove, put on a boost, let's go. Last match of the day. Sengicela ibhiya yami ke. Ayi. Averaging. Ecela ibhiya yami. Ayikho. Averaging. Awungayicela ibhiya yami. Ayikho. Averaging. Hey, madoda phita insolid. Kunzima ubhala ngokuhlanganisa. Ayikho impela averaging. One minute to go, let's go. Hayi mnandi yelo rhythm le. 1 minute to go, let's go. Suka. Eyinkunzi kumi njalo. Sengicela ibhiya yami. Ayikho everyday. Ayikho everyday. So let's all double tap the screen. Last 50 seconds. On last 30 seconds, let's put on a glove and a hammer and a boost. And then we snipe up. Tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen. Uphili is do less proud. Sengicela lephiya yami uthi ayikho average iphiya yami ayikho impela average. All right, thank you so much, Zoom Nations. Thank you so much. Awulutho ngibulala abantu ngesibhaxo nje namhlanje. Ngihappy nje angaze ngidliwe namhlanje. Hawo nje namhlanje hawu ngeke ngadliwa namhlanje. Mhlambe ngidliwe kanye. Ngiloko ngigqoba abantu nje ngo 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. Lady Justice again.
We don't have anyone to play with.
Why ka una le smoke but ntlhatlhamla.
I don't have smoke. We don't. I don't have co-host. I don't have smoke.
Kasi futa limon now usinang smoke.
Awa, ke batla hore re dlale re bone gore like. Guys together. See Rolla, thank you so much for the games.
Okay, thinking any nje manje sefile umuntu wakhe ngadla. So ufuna ukuzokhokhisa right now, I'm telling you. Sefile umuntu wakhe ufuna ukuzokhokhisa. Let's ensure ukuthi siyambulala siphume kanje last match of the day. Last match.
There's no one.
Let's snipe up. Isuka nje times 3 isuka nje bafethu sigcime sihlala.
Triples, guys. Triples. How are you, Doc? How are you doing? Saint, thank you so much, King Kim. I'll check it out later. Ne? Thank you so much. I'll check it out later. Thanks for the hot meal, Doc Phoenix. How's the gallery looking? We are on 5, yo. My gift.
Hayi dlalo gcina siyaphela. Wenzani? Spade sana. Sokuchatha? Uyothenga spade nje manje. Nanga omunye. Ethenga spade ke. Stay up spade.
Mina angifuni.
Khatha ngane.
Ubuzwa maphansi.
Mina
ngifuna ukushare ngazama. Hamba ngifonele message.
3 roses, guys, to reach the target. We have 3 minutes before the match, and Amaro's out 3 bafethu to reach the target. Sivali match. Yes, silapho ngino 9% kaze uzongilast time. Ngicela Amaro's out 3 bafethu ikhona leni liyaxeka. Liyaxeka ikhona leni bafethu bamba ikhona lakho nami ngilibambile la.
Hey, unayo ngafika.
Hayi babhimi. Naye umuntu azosidla nibona. Bathi nje azidlali. Ana jama uzosititinya. Kube ngidlala ngale match. 2 more roses bafethu, 2 more roses, 2 more. So popa induku thina. Thina ke singababhonyiweyo nje. Singababhonywa bakazolonke. Level 9. Okay, we have 2 minutes to go bafethu. Bese siyavala. I'm batteryless as well. Ngikhathele. Kaze ngilala. Drive ubusuku bonke. Ngidrive ubusuku bonke. Kapho kumnyama izulu liyana kunenkungu amaphotholi. Kumele uhambe ngo40. Awu phela bekumele ngifike.
Bangafikanga.
Inzi nokuhla suka. Kushani no. 1 minute 24 seconds. Let's go.
talk to us. You don't even have like our Tom, you do better. A rose. No.
Where's Tom?
Our Tom. And then you ask about somebody else's gift. It's fine. So me, I'm a loser. No, I never said that. But like, you can't ask about somebody else's gift when you yourself have not even dropped me a single rose. Oh, my boobs hurt. Guys, can we snipe? Snipe! Why are you mad? Oh, Tom, really, no? You met? Bye. Okay, bye, Tommy. Enjoy your day.
Last 10 seconds.
Come back with roses when you come back, okay? Just the roses. 20 cents for sure. I'm sure it's 20 cents.
Ayikho lento yakho.
Hey, bye-bye, Sibo. Leave me alone. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, guys. Let's meet again tonight, same place, at 9:30. So yeah, sharing live to all the snipers of the Zuma Nation. Thank you so much.